Okay guys, we got a little problem down on the ranch here. We've got some zombie pumpkins that are moving in and taking up residence near my shooting range. So this one looks especially mean. So we got something special planned for it. We're just gonna back away really carefully and go get set up and we're gonna take care of it.
Why don't you just put down the gun?
Alright guys, we've staged far away from the zombie pumpkins. I don't know if you can see it down there. But I got Josh here. He's a sharpshooter, or so he thinks he is.
Not really.
Weatherby 22-250
Yeah.
with a Leupold 4x12 scope. Should do the ticket. Josh, all you got to do is flick that safety lever forward on it. It's right there by, nope, right here. Flick that forward. The gun is ready to shoot. Go ahead, do your best. Aim good. Don't touch the trigger until you're ready. Okay, you didn't even give me a chance to get ready. Go ahead and chamber one more round. You get one more try.
Yeah, no kidding. I didn't have my ears on.
Sorry. Back, forward. Take your time and aim, Josh. There you go. You're ready. Go ahead, Josh. Take your time. Nice slow pull of the trigger. That thing looks vicious. He's looking like he might try to move up on us.
Oh, Dad.
Okay. All right. We had to have a little pep talk, but Josh thinks he can get it this time. Nice shooting, Josh! That is one dead zombie pumpkin! How's that feel, Josh? All right, we do have a problem with a zombie air conditioner, so stand by. Okay, we're up at the shooting bench. Zombie air conditioner. Stay down. It's right over there hiding. I don't know if you can see it. See if you can hit that. Okay! I think we got rid of the zombie air conditioner. I'm pretty sure he is a DOA. What do you think there? Dead. 22-250. Weatherby. Leupold 4x12 scope. Works every time. Thanks for watching. No. Get yourself aimed just like you did before. Can you see it? Okay, everybody watch out. We're going to try to kill this zombie. Tell me when you're set up. Hold on to the gun right when you shoot. Is that a good angle? Sheila, you got to talk to me because I got to be able to steady this. Okay. Stop doing that, Josh. Okay, quick, he might get away. Wait a minute.
Get away. No, he's gonna come down.
Come on, Sheila. Right in the middle of the pumpkin's face. down and look at it. Thanks, Nick. Okay, Josh's first attempt with a 22-250. Go ahead, Josh. Everybody's got their plugs on. Keep right on that nice gentle squeeze. It does not kick. Just hang on to the gun. What'd you aim at?
The white thing.
Okay, rack another bullet in. There's one more in the magazine. All the way back. Lift it up, 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 up. Pull back. Push it back in and down. You're ready to shoot. Don't touch the trigger till you're ready.
What one?
Aim at the log. There's an X on it.
It's reloading.
Still going?
Yep.